What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today the SI is getting some upgrades. Finally, gonna be running the same setup I had on the black one. We have a full race exhaust. We're going to be running the full race 3-inch. Also going to be running, I didn't have this on the black one, but we're going to be running the ktuned 72mm throttle body. Very interested to see how that does. All my hardware for the full race give you the V-band clamps. I swear by this exhaust, the best exhaust I've ever had. I went through 4 different exhausts on the black one. Full race by far beats all of them. They make quality stuff. And obviously with the bigger throttle body, got the Honda Flash Pro. And we got the ktuned header. So ktuned header, full race exhaust, that's my exhaust setup. Like I said, same thing I had on the black one. I can't get wrong. I mean, it sounds nasty, puts out a bunch of power. I'm excited. Also gonna be doing, gonna flush the tranny fluid. Went with the OEM Honda tranny fluid. I recommend. Other people say, you know, some other tranny fluid works too, but I always like to stick to Honda. I like to stick to factory, what they run. But yeah, we're gonna be flushing that. Also gonna be doing the oil change. I like to run Royal Purple on my stuff. I just picked up the Honda OEM fuel filter or oil filter. So yeah, I'm not gonna, you know, do a time lapse or anything like that. I mean, if you're watching this, you guys probably already know how to put all this stuff on. If you don't, there's other YouTube videos out there. You guys can go watch those. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work on taking the old exhaust off. I'm just gonna start from the back, work my way to the front. But yeah, I bought the throttle because this is disgusting. The person that had this car before me clearly didn't take care of the engine bay. My last video I did, you know, show you guys the valve cover. I changed that because the valve cover that was on here before was just completely ruined. So I got that changed. I was gonna order the intake manifold, but I am gonna do the Kraftwerks kit on this car like I did with the black one. I love the kit. It was easy to install. So that's what, and they send you one. So I didn't really see the point of buying one and then Kraftwerks sending me one. Yeah, that would have just been a waste of money. But I'm not gonna bore this out to 72mm to fit the ktuned throttle body. I'm just gonna run it the way it is. I'm probably not gonna get all the power out of the throttle body, you know, being that it's only 60mm on the stock ones. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Gonna try and get it done tonight, probably tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see. All right, guys, so the full race exhaust is on, and the header is also on. Ktuned header into the full race. Not really any fitment issues. The old exhaust is off, so we're having trouble getting the old header off. It had this bracket on here to hold on the heat shield, so we did end up having to cut that off. I don't really care because I'm never going to use this stuff again. But yeah, get the heat shield off, header, and yeah, this exhaust was pretty beat up. It definitely needed a new one. Somebody, looks like, re-welded this exhaust before. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, exhaust looks great. It's definitely awesome. Looks awesome. Unfortunately, can't start it up tonight. It's about 11 o'clock. Did get the ktuned throttle body on. Was running into some issues with this because the coolant, there's on the old one, which is over here, I'll show you. So the old one has these two lines here. One's your coolant line, one's your vacuum line, and then another vacuum line up here. And the new one doesn't, the ktuned one doesn't have all these. So ktuned sends you two plugs on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's one down here, and then there's one underneath of it. So one hose ran to the top, and then somebody absolutely destroyed this other line that runs into the coolant housing. But yeah, so I have to get a new hose. And what I saw somebody do is they ran the hose that did go to the throttle body. They ran it, it's probably too dark to see, but they ran it down here to this other hose. So I'm gonna try and do that tomorrow. And then put the intake on. I do have to get a bigger coupler with that throttle body being bigger, but yeah, put the intake on, upload the base map on Hondata, and hopefully no issues. Yeah, car's coming together great. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up for tonight. Be back tomorrow after I get everything situated, go and get some new hoses, because these hoses are just completely chewed up. Somebody tightened the hell out of these for whatever reason. I have no idea. This is the other hose over here. I mean, they just, it'll focus. Yeah, they just totally destroyed this hose. I mean, it's just ridiculous. But all good. We'll get it figured out and just start up tomorrow, do some revs, maybe a little ride along. We'll see. Yeah, guys, we'll wrap it up for tonight. All right, guys, a little update. The car is completely done. We got everything put on. Full race exhaust, ktuned header, ktuned throttle body. And we are having a little bit of trouble with the throttle body. The computer is not liking more of the airflow. The idle's really bad. Talked to my tuner about it, see if he could send me a bass tune, and he actually gave me some pretty interesting information. He basically told me to put the stock throttle body back on, and that the ktuned throttle body was honestly trash. I'm not sure why. He said it would just be a headache to tune. I don't know, but that was his recommendation. So looks like that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting the old throttle body back on. And that guy, I mean, he knows, he's been doing it a long time. He's been tuning cars a long time. He's tuned some of the fastest Honda and Acura cars there are out there. So I'm going to listen to him. He knows what he's talking about. So we're going to put the old throttle body back on. But other than that, I'm 100% satisfied with the way the setup turned out. Sucks I can't keep the throttle body on there. It would have been nice. It looks awesome. Looks clean. But it is what it is. I didn't have a throttle body on the black Civic, so right now, I mean, she's covered up. I try and keep it covered as much as I can. This is not my daily. I own the CRV. That is my daily. But yeah. But do have some big news. Got a couple more videos coming out. I'm going to try and get those out as soon as possible. But big things coming. But yeah, guys, that's going to be all for now. I'd like to uncover it and show you guys the final thing, but I do have a little video clip that I'm going to put in this video of when I got everything installed, put the base map that I had on there. So I'll be sure to put that in this video. And like I said, I got a couple more videos coming out. I'm gonna get those out as soon as I can. But yeah, big things coming. It's gonna be nasty. So yeah, guys, just keep on the lookout for more videos from me. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, let you know anytime I upload. Appreciate it, guys.